Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Binance to TradingView step by step. If you have zero knowledge about TradingView or Binance, don't worry. I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. Connecting Binance to TradingView allows you to place trades directly from your TradingView charts using your Binance account. This makes trading faster and more convenient. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section to open a full chart view. Now, look at the bottom panel of your screen. You'll see a section called Trading Panel. Click on it. Inside the Trading Panel, you'll see a list of supported brokers and exchanges. Scroll through the list until you find Binance. Click on Binance, then click the Connect button. A login window will pop up. Enter your Binance account email and password, then complete any required verification, such as two-factor authentication. After successful login, TradingView will connect to your Binance account. Now you'll be able to see your account balance inside the trading panel. You can place market orders, limit orders, and manage your positions directly from the chart. To place a trade, right-click anywhere on the chart and select Trade, or use the Buy and Sell buttons on the order panel. Make sure you double-check order size, leverage if applicable, and order type before confirming any trade. If you don't see Binance in the trading panel, it could be due to regional restrictions or account type limitations. Also, some features may require a paid TradingView plan. And that's it. That's how you connect Binance to TradingView step by step. This integration allows you to analyze and execute trades all in one place, which is extremely helpful for active traders. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly TradingView guides. I'll see you in the next video.